The biggest SEO mistake that we see all the time is when a business decides to get their website redesigned or redeveloped. What tends to happen is that the web development agency or the branding agency perhaps moves the website to a different platform. WordPress to Magento, WordPress to Shopify, Magento to Shopify. What they'll do is they'll pull the whole structure of the website down. Web pages URLs will have equity, history, and authority in Google. If you build a new site and pull down those URLs and that structure, those URLs, pages, will start from scratch. They'll have no history, no equity, and they mightn't perform as well as the old URLs. You need to have a plan, an SEO plan in place to migrate those URLs to the new corresponding URLs and pass all the equity and all the authority. That tends to not happen in a lot of cases. Even in the last couple of months, I've seen 3 or 4 websites where there's been a new site developed. The old URLs haven't been 301 redirected to the new URL to pass that authority. The net effect of this is that your website could tank, it could drop 40-50% in Google, and you'll maybe wonder why the new website isn't getting the leads, the sales, the inquiries that the old site did. So make sure that your web development team or your web design agency has an SEO migration plan in place. If they don't have the experience or the knowledge or aren't confident on how to do that, then speak to an SEO agency, and they'll help you. It really is one of the biggest mistakes that we see. So good luck with that.